everybody, it's Miss Hunsaker here, and I am making this video to show you how to log into Mathia. Alright, first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to your Clever website, Clever homepage. Now, I know people have different ways of getting there. My favorite is to directly type into the website bar up here, the word Clever, C-L-E-V-E-R, you'll see mine start to pop up there, .com /IN/FWPS. All right, so that website there, that's what you need to type into the website bar. Click enter, go there, and you'll get to this page. If you went there a different way, make sure that up at the top it says Federal Way Public Schools, because if it doesn't, that's not Federal Way's Clever. You won't be able to log in. All right. You're going to click the login with Google thing. Click that button. You're going to log in, and it's going to ask you for your school email and your normal computer password. So just as a reminder, let me pull up a little bit of a scratch pad right here. Okay, give it a second. All right, so your login is your school number, whatever your number is, 1111 at e12fwps.org. Okay, your number, not the ones. Don't use the ones, your number. And then your password should be your normal computer password, just in case you don't remember how to log in there. All right, once you log in with Google and you type in your login and password, you should see a screen that looks like this. Say Clever up there, Todd Beamer High School. Might look a little bit different than mine because this is the teacher's page. That's okay. You're going to find the Carnegie Learning or CL app. Now, for most of you, you're going to have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. See this? It's this light blue one right here. It says Carnegie Learning. That's the one you want to click. So click on that. And it will get you in, it will say loading, and you end up with your Carnegie Learning page. Now again, yours is going to look different than mine because this is the teacher's, but what you're going to see is something that looks like this box down here. It should say like algebra 1-1 or 1-2, should say 1-2 right here. And to get into Mathia, you click this light green button right here, it says Mathia. Don't click this down here where it says choose eText/PDF. Don't do that. Nope, don't do it. Click the Mathia button. And we load, takes a little bit to load, and you pop up at this screen. So again, yours will look different than mine because I've done a little bit of stuff on here, but you have your avatar you can play around with. This is your Mathia page. So it'll tell you kind of what we're working on, your different problems, and these are what you're going to click when you want to go in to work on Mathia. I highly suggest, if you haven't, spend a little time in this getting started module, because it will tell you how to use Mathia. It'll teach you how to get hints, how to input numbers, because we all know doing math on computers is really different than doing it on a piece of paper. So if you've got some time, you're able to, and you haven't done this one already, try it out. It'll help you get used to the system. If not, look for my other videos. I'm going to make some to help you go through some of these problems so you can see what the computer wants you to do and what type of math you're going to have to do. All right, see you later.